Understand renewable energy in this short video. What it is, its types, and why it's good for the planet. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy refers to energy sources that are naturally replenished on a human timescale and do not deplete over time. Unlike fossil fuels, they don't run out and are much cleaner for the environment. These sources harness natural processes like sunlight, wind, water flow, geothermal heat, and biological materials to generate power sustainably. Let's see the key characteristics of renewable energy. Sustainable and infinite, continuously available in nature. Eco-friendly, produces little to no greenhouse gas emissions, reduces dependence on fossil fuels, lowers carbon footprint. Types of renewable energy sources. 1. Solar energy, uses sunlight to generate electricity. 2. Wind energy. Wind turbines convert wind power into electricity. 3. Hydropower, generates power from moving water. 4. Biomass energy, organic materials like wood and organic waste used for energy. 5. Geothermal energy, harnesses heat from the Earth's core. 6. Ocean energy. It is the energy available in the world's oceans, which can be harnessed to generate electricity. 7. Hydrogen energy. Green hydrogen produced using renewable sources. Now let's see benefits of renewable energy. Reduces air pollution, no harmful gases, combats climate change, low carbon emissions, reduce greenhouse effect and global warming, saves natural resources, less dependency on coal, oil or gas, enhances energy efficiency, less energy waste compared to traditional sources, promotes sustainability, clean, green and renewable for future generations, creates green jobs and economic growth. Renewable energy is the key to a sustainable and greener future. Let's learn it, support it, and use it wisely. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insights on environmental awareness and sustainability. Thanks.